Hi guys, this is Carmela and welcome back to my channel. And it's been a while since I've uploaded a sit-down video. I think it's been 2 months or 3. So I really missed YouTube guys, and here I am coming back with some, as usual haul. And I bought a lot of bags. Again. So let's start with this. This is from Zara, and yung purpose lang ng bag na to I think is for iPad, and it has a metallic gold chain for here. So it's very minimal, kaya lang you really should put something sturdy like yung iPad nga para hindi siya nagbe-bend. And yes, it's really pretty, and what's inside is it's just empty like that. I think wala siyang packet sa loob. Yes, and here's the tag. Yes, and it's really nice. I really love gold chains. I really love gold hardware sa mga bag. And yes, it's really pretty, and Zara is always the best sa mga affordable bags. I think so. And maganda siya, or pwede mo rin siyang ganyan gamitin, like if you just put your phone inside and like a wallet, small wallet, and just hold it like this. And next is from Zara. It's this one. So, I think this is one of my favorite pieces kasi it's very useful, and ganito yung loob niya. 1, 2, 3. Meron siyang 3 malaking pocket and mini pockets here in between. Yung purpose na paggamit ko dito sa mga mini pockets na to is my card. Para, kunwari, kukunin ko yung credit card ko. It's just very easy to pick it out. And here is, I'll just put my cell phone here, and then like a cash here, and then here is the house key or lipstick. Yun, ganun lang. Wala akong nilalagay na kung ano-anong makeup pa or what. It's just very simple, like you're just gonna do your errands real quick. Kaya I think it looks like a wallet na merong strap. It's very good, and I really love the leather of this. Hindi siya dumihin, hindi rin siya nababakbak, in fairness. And gold hardware, I really love it. And yes, it's really pretty. Nung nandito si Camille, halos ito yung ginagamit kong bag pag lumalabas kami. And next is this one. Mini pouch lang siya. I bought it sa GU. Like, kunwari, we'll just go out home to eat dinner. I'll just put my cell phone here, my wallet, my key, and then go na. And ang ganda nito kasi this is warm. Winter here. So, spring na niyan. So, it's really good pa rin to use this one kasi it's not cold. And then, you can do this. Para hindi mahulog yung case mo, ganyan, pag naglalakad ka or tumatakbo. Diba? It's really cute. I really love this. Really love it. Yeah, for for like simpleng lakad lang, like magdi-dinner lang sa labas. And then go back home ulit. And next is this one. Meron kaming twinning wallet ni Camille. Hers is color yellow, mine is color pink. And this is Mary L. And gold hardware again. It's really nice. And when you open it, like this, maliit lang siyang klaseng wallet. I'm not really a fan of long wallet. Kaya, these are very good talaga. Kasi naman nafo-fold lang din naman yung money. Kaya, okay lang. Or actually, I really don't use cash. Kaya, puro card lang. Ayan, and here, dito mo lalagay yung cash mo. And for the coins, here, and you can put something here like point card or receipt. It's very cute. really love this. And first time lang namin bumili ng wallet ni Camille na same kami. Actually, ako yung bumili. It's my gift for her. Twinning wallet. And next is this one. Kasi bumili si Camille ng color green neto. And I really wanted it. Kaya lang wala na silang green. So, eto na lang yung binili ko. I just bought this when she already went back to Philippines. Kasi I'm really dying to have it. Pero hindi ko pa rin siya nagagamit until now. And meron siyang compartment here. And sa loob, sa gitna, merong zipper and small compartments again. And it's a canvas bag. It's really good for casual casual lakad lang. Yes, it's really cute and I really love the hardware. Reminds me of Hermes. And pero hindi siya naaalis. Etong isa lang yung naaalis. The other side, hindi. It's really like that. It's really cute and the strap is adjustable here. It's color gold, no? Hindi naman siya rose gold. Yes, it's a bit light gold. And it's really cute. I really like the canvas kasi it's very cute for casual. Pero medium size lang siya. I really don't like large size bags. So, ito lang talaga yung flattering sa figure ko. It's really cute. I really like it. And next bag is from Mone. After New Year, we went out shopping sa Machida Station and merong building doon and it's New Year's sale. Oo, New Year's sale. And first, we bought this one. It's a satchel bag and you just lock it like this. Magnetic lang yung lock niya. And gold hardware, muted pink. Actually, it's like in the middle of pink, gray, and purple yung kulay niya. It's not totally pink. It's like a muted purple pink. Ayun, muted purple pink. And it's very cute and very sturdy din. Hindi nahuhulog yung handle niya sideways or what. It's very sturdy and meron din pala siyang studs here para hindi matubihan yung lower part ng bag mo. And I think this is just a faux leather. And meron din siyang strap. Here's the strap. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. It's very cute and very, anong tawag doon? Very smooth ng paglagay nila ng parang rubber glue here. Very pulido. Walang sabit. Pulido yung paglagay nila ng rubber. It's very cute. Tada! But I think I will not use this as a messenger bag or sling bag. Hindi ko siya masyado siguro susuotin ng ganon. More of a handbag lang. Like this. I really love it. And it's very simple. Wala siyang kung ano-anong detail or what. So cute. And yes, very pulido yung paglagay nila ng rubber glue here. So, really pretty, very neat, very clean, very sturdy, and very simple. Everything is perfect. Ang cute niya! And yung zipper niya is gold hardware and makapal yung zipper niya. Hindi siya yung putyo-putyo na zipper. Yes, very thick ang zipper niya. You see? Every details is perfect. So, ang ganda talaga ng mga local brands sa Japan. Impressive. Very impressive. And another bag na nabili ko doon is from Mone also. But it's color, parang taupe. Parang brown taupe color. Khaki color. And eto naman is solid lang siya. I don't know paano nila to nagawa. Metallic and leather here. Very solid handle. Unlike doon, para lang siyang yung leather lang. Pero sturdy. Pero ito, very solid yung handle niya. And you can just put it like this. Or you can just put it inside. Pag hindi mo siya gagamitin as a handbag, like, gagamitin mo siya as a messenger bag or sling bag. And very pulido din yung pagka-stitch niya and etong rubber glue. Very pulido. Pagka bumibili ako ng bag, parati ko tinitignan yung dito nila kung pulido ba or baka may nababakbak, ganyan. Tapos tuloy-tuloy na mababakbak yun. Kaya maganda yung pagka-apply. Always check it parate. Yung stitch niya and yung pagkalagay ng glue. And what's inside? Meron siyang another kind of strap. Pwede siyang yung, anong tawag doon? Shoulder bag. Pwede siyang maging shoulder bag. Non-adjustable yung strap niya and very cute. Very cute. And ganyan lang siya sa loob. Parang, one big pocket sa loob. Walang zipper. Here. Here's the zipper. Yan. Isa lang yung may zipper sa loob. And yes, tatlo lang yung compartment niya, yung major compartment. Here's a zipper, and then here din sa other side. Yes, and magnetic yung button for closing. Ano tawag dito? Magnets? Basta magnets. Magnets yung pang-close niya. And yes, and it's very sturdy also. See? I really love sturdy bags. Ayoko ng... Unlike ito, hindi nga siya sturdy, no? Pero ewan ko bakit ko siya nabili. Finally, moving on these two bags. We have these two. It's color black and brown. This is called Mini Kelly in 20 cm. It's very small. Hindi mag-fit yung phone ko inside. Totally, hindi siya mag-fit. Hindi nga siya mag-fit. But, what you can put in here is your case, small perfume, handkerchief, and probably lipstick. Only that. Pero yung cellphone ko, hindi talaga pwede. So, pagka gagamitin ko siya, hindi ko na siya totally ito nilalabas. It's very hassle. So, I just let them sit here. And itong pinaka-cover lang yung nilalak ko. Yan. So, this is how they usually use it. And, yung tawag pala dito sa style na to is, itong stitch niya here is sa labas, diba? It's called cilie. Pero, pag yung stitch niya is nasa loob, it's called return. So, parang, eto nakapaloob siya. Pero, yung stitch niya is here sa labas, diba? And then, meron lang siyang parang rubber glue here to cover the details of leather para hindi messy tignan. So, this is called cilie and very sturdy. I really love this color brown. It's very simple and neutral. And yung hardware color niya is color silver. And meron siyang free twilly. Nilagay ko na yung twilly kasi I'm so excited to see how it looks like pag meron na siyang twilly. And I prefer na merong twilly para hindi magkaroon ng damage yung handle, lalo na kung parati ko siyang gagamitin, ganyan. And here's the black one. It's very pretty, very simple, and meron siyang 4 studs under para hindi masira yung dito sa baba niya. And meron siyang ganito. Ang difference ng original, yung authentic dito sa dupe na to is meron siyang adjustable. Yung dupes, probably meron siyang hardware for adjustment. Pero yung authentic, wala. Nakaset na siyang ganun lang length. Pero here, okay lang naman kahit may ganito. And if you want to experience yung feeling ng merong mini Kelly, start with this one kung ayaw nyo mabigla sa price. Tapos baka manghinayang lang kayo kasi nga very small lang yung capacity ng malalagay mo sa loob. But it's very beautiful. Maganda lang siyang gamitin pag magdi-dinner date ka lang. Pero pag may mga errands ka, like you need to bring a lot of stuff, ganyan, whole day kang wala sa bahay, probably this won't work. Pero like simple date lang, just go out to eat dinner, ganyan, just put your house key, lipstick, and everything, just put your house key and lipstick, ganyan, okay na siyang gamitin. And it's very aesthetic to see kasi it's an Hermes Kelly dupe. And yes, you can find this in TAOBAO. Probably, yung isa nito is 145 RMB. So, mga 2,000 yen. Siguro mga 1,100 peso siya. In-estimate ko lang siya sa isip ko. So, mga 1,100 peso lang siya. It's very affordable, very pretty. Walang dents, walang sira, wala siyang bakbak. Maganda yung stitching niya. Yung stitching niya is straight nga lang. Kasi usually, the authentic Kelly, hindi straight yung stitch niya. Medyo angled siya, pa-slant. And then, on the opposite side, hindi siya same, direction. Pabaligtad naman yung stitch niya. Magka-opposite sila ng stitching kasi 2 needles yung ginamit nila for stitching the authentic Kelly. Pero ito, hindi ko lang alam, pero straight lang yung stitch niya here, but it's perfect. Perfect and malinis yung pagka-stitch niya. May plastic pa to. Before ko siya in-unbox, meron plastic yung mga hardware niya. Nakasil pa siya. Pati itong handle niya here, may balot pa siya. Same with this one. It's very neat. Actually, it's very good. I really love them. I think it's very good. I can't imagine na we can find a very similar to the authentic one. Kaya, you should try ordering sa TAOBAO. And meron din isang IG account ako nakita na gumagawa siya ng almost similar to the authentic one. As in, pati stitch niya is gayang-gaya. And real leather din yung gamit niya. So, I'll just put the link sa baba. Or, I'll just show it here. Creation workshop sa Instagram. If may chance pa akong bumili ng another bag there, probably try that one. Pero medyo pricey nga lang sila. Siguro merong 8,000 peso na price. Ganun. Mga ganung level yung price. Parang bumili ka na din ng another brand ng bag. Pero yon is not totally authentic. Pero seems like authentic. Pero hindi nga lang sa mismong Hermes shop na bili. Pero yung gawa niya is pulidong-pulido, the stitching, the leather they use, may crocodile, cowhide, goat, or other stuff. Basta you can see their Instagram. I'll just put their TAOBAO shop link sa baba. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!